In the age of information overload, finding the right info can be a real challenge. If you want wealth and success, then you must watch this video. What's up guys, my name is Mike and I'm back today with another mindset video. Guys, money is a game, make no mistake about it. Some play it well, others not so well, and then there are those who are too scared to even get in the game. They sit on the sidelines waiting for an opportunity to happen, not realizing that it's by taking action and having perseverance that they will create the opportunity they're looking for. You see, I have studied many people who have been where I want to go, done the things I want to do, and lived the life that I want to live. And there's a few things I learned along the way. It takes more than a viral video, or a hit YouTube channel, or some lucrative licensing deal, or the millions of dollars that pro athletes get paid to achieve true success and wealth. See, what I learned along the way is that the game of money is far more psychological than I ever thought. With so many people boasting success claims on social media and here on YouTube, it's really hard to sort fact from fiction. And I'll save laying claims to other gurus for a different video. Today's video is all about the mental game of money. So my goal for you by the end of this video is to understand the game of money, highlight the key factors that make all the difference, and then share with you how you can put these principles into action for yourself. So if you guys like this type of content, I invite you to click that subscribe button and hit the like button for me, as that will help get my videos out to new faces here on YouTube. So with that, let's get into it. So how do you understand the game of money? Well, first, you must buy into the idea that it is in fact a game. Just like football or hockey or baseball or any other sport that you watch, the game of money is a game. The great thing about it is that no matter what game in life you play, if you practice enough, you'll get really good at it. And the game of money is no different. Now, do you think you can go out on the football field and throw touchdown bombs like Tom Brady does? Or do you think you can get in a car on the Daytona 500 and race a NASCAR driver and think that you're gonna win just because you drive a Corvette on the weekends? I would hope not. And that's my point, guys. Practice does make perfect over time. You try, you make mistakes, you learn, you go back to the drawing board, figure out what you did that didn't work, and make a better plan for the next go around. So let's get into some key factors. First up is attitude is everything. Look, the outside world is a direct reflection of how you feel inside and what you believe about yourself. Trust me, I know, I've been there. It is a mirror of your own self-image. So if you hate money or you resent people that have money and are successful, those exact feelings and emotions will prevent the universe from giving money and giving opportunities to you in order to become successful. In effect, you're blocking your own path to success. I'm sure some, if not all of us, can relate to this idea at some point in your life. The next up is study smart investors. Guys, look, it's real simple. There's lots of smart investors out there that have already paved the path to success and wealth. We just have to follow it. Yes, it's demanding work, but if you want to get from A to Z on the road to success, you have to be willing to put in the work and you have to be willing to change. The knowledge is there. You just need to take the time to consume it, process it, and put it into action. The next key factor is you need to befriend money makers. Guys, this one can't be understated. As the famous saying goes, you are the equivalent of the 5 people that you hang around with the most. So if you hang around with a bunch of losers that drink beer on the weekends, that's probably what you're gonna be doing. Just saying. Choose your friends wisely and try to build relationships with those who are already at the level that you're trying to get to. I'm not saying don't help other people. I'm just saying keep your focus on where you're trying to go and you can help others along the way. The next key factor is leverage. Now, this is a concept that sets apart the ultra successful from the mildly successful. So how can you experience massive growth in your business and your life? You must utilize the power of leverage. And this has everything to do with managing the relationships that you have and built to leverage their powers and strengths to build a culture to help you achieve their goals while they help you achieve yours. It takes time, but if you learn to leverage correctly, you can cut your journey to success in half. If you haven't figured out by now that acquiring money and success is a team sport, then I got nothing for you. But seriously, this leads us to our next difference maker, which is strategic partnerships. Guys, if you can figure out a way to partner with the right people and bring value to their business, they will bring it back to you tenfold. Find partnerships that shine in areas where you don't, and vice versa. If you build value and believe in your product or service, you will over time attract the right people to come to you. It is an ebb and flow principle that when you bring value to others, eventually that value will come back to you tenfold. And lastly, guys, so how can we put these principles to work? You need to start doing the following. You have to start working on your mindset and get that correct first and foremost. Tap into some personal development stuff. I'll put a link in the description of some good videos that I've used to help me attain this. Find some great authors that specialize in wealth and success and follow the models that they lay out in their books. Seek out coaches that work well with you and that can hold you accountable as you put these new principles that you're learning into action so you don't give up on yourself. Model their habits and make them your own. Over time, you will start to see changes, but you must be diligent at acting on the new information that you're learning and focus on the new habits that you're trying to develop. Just reading alone won't change anything. Remember, for there to be change, you must first be willing to change. I hope you guys have found this video to be very inspiring for you on your journey to wealth and success. I made this video because I know a lot of people struggle with these things every day, as do I. So I wanted to put some work into this to find out what these key principles were so that way I can share what I've learned with other people who are struggling as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.